Welcome to Backpacking Buzz, where we explore the exciting world of solo travel. In today's video, we will be discussing essential tips on how to stay safe and have fun while embarking on solo adventures. Traveling alone can be a liberating and enriching experience, but it's crucial to prioritize safety and enjoyment throughout your journey. As a solo traveler, your safety should always be a top priority. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or hiking through remote landscapes, being prepared and aware of your surroundings is key to a successful trip. By following our tips, you can minimize risks and ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. But safety doesn't have to come at the expense of fun. In fact, taking the necessary precautions can actually enhance your overall enjoyment of the trip. When you feel secure and confident in your surroundings, you can fully immerse yourself in new cultures, try exciting activities, and create unforgettable memories. Throughout this video, we will share practical advice and strategies to help you navigate the challenges of solo travel with ease. From packing essentials to staying connected with loved ones, we've got you covered. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make the most of your solo adventures while staying safe and having a blast. By implementing the tips we'll be sharing, you'll not only enhance your safety and security, but also open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences. Whether you're a seasoned solo traveler or planning your first solo trip, there's something for everyone in this video. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to stay safe and have fun while traveling solo. Let's dive in and make your solo travel dreams a reality. Research and planning. Before embarking on your solo travel adventure, it's essential to invest time in thorough research and meticulous planning. Understanding your destination, planning ahead, and staying informed are key components to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Let's delve into the steps you can take to prepare for your solo journey. First and foremost, research the local customs, laws, and potential risks of the destination you'll be visiting. Every country has its own unique culture and traditions, and being aware of these nuances can help you navigate unfamiliar territory with respect and sensitivity. Additionally, familiarize yourself with any laws or regulations that may impact your stay, such as visa requirements, local customs, and safety guidelines. Next, it's crucial to plan your itinerary meticulously. From booking accommodations to arranging transportation and outlining your activities, having a well-thought-out plan can streamline your travel experience and minimize uncertainties. Consider factors such as budget, preferred modes of transportation, and must-see attractions to create a comprehensive itinerary that aligns with your interests and preferences. In addition to planning your itinerary, staying updated on travel advisories and local news is vital for a safe and informed experience. Subscribe to travel alerts from reputable sources, monitor local news outlets, and stay connected with fellow travelers or expats in the area for real-time updates on any potential risks or developments. By staying informed, you can make informed decisions and adjust your plans accordingly to ensure your safety and well-being. By conducting thorough research, planning your itinerary thoughtfully, and staying informed throughout your journey, you can set the foundation for a successful solo travel experience. Remember, preparation is key to unlocking the full potential of your adventure and creating lasting memories along the way. Packing essentials. When it comes to solo travel, packing smartly can make a world of difference in ensuring your safety, convenience, and overall enjoyment. By including key essentials in your luggage, you can be prepared for any situation that may arise during your journey. Let's explore some essential items to pack for a seamless solo travel experience. One of the golden rules of packing for solo travel is to pack light while still including essential items. Consider packing a compact first aid routes. Whitsei sozvi ki maotos de cultures athetis copies of important documents such as your passport and travel insurance and a list of emergency contacts. These items can be invaluable in case of unexpected emergencies or unforeseen circumstances, providing you with peace of mind and a sense of security throughout your trip. In today's digital age, staying connected is more important than ever. Make sure to pack a portable charger to keep your devices powered up on the go. a universal adapter to ensure you can charge your electronics in any country and any necessary medications you may need during your travels. These small yet essential items can make a big difference in your comfort and convenience while exploring new destinations. When it comes to clothing, opt for versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched for different activities and occasions. Pack lightweight, wrinkle-resistant clothing that can easily transition from day to night, as well as comfortable shoes suitable for walking and exploring. By choosing practical and versatile clothing options, you can pack efficiently while still being prepared for a variety of experiences during your solo adventures. By packing smartly and including essential items that prioritize safety, convenience, and enjoyment, you can set yourself up for a successful solo travel experience. Remember, thoughtful packing can enhance your overall comfort and confidence while on the road, allowing you to focus on making the most of your solo journey. Stay tuned for more tips on how to stay safe and have fun while traveling solo. Ensuring your safety is paramount when embarking on solo travel adventures. By implementing proactive safety measures, you can protect yourself and navigate unfamiliar environments with confidence and peace of mind. Let's explore some essential safety precautions to consider for a safe and secure solo travel experience. One of the most important safety practices for solo travelers is to share your itinerary with a trusted person back home and establish regular check-ins. By keeping someone informed of your travel plans and whereabouts, you create a safety net in case of emergencies and ensure that someone is aware of your movements. Regular communication can provide reassurance to both you and your loved ones, fostering a sense of security throughout your journey. Staying aware of your surroundings is crucial for solo travelers. Be mindful of your environment, avoid risky areas, and trust your instincts if something feels off. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or a remote wilderness, maintaining situational awareness can help you identify potential risks and take proactive measures to stay safe. By staying alert and attentive, you can minimize vulnerabilities and navigate unfamiliar settings with confidence. In case of emergencies, it's essential to have key contacts readily available. Keep a list of emergency contacts, including local authorities and embassy information, easily accessible in case you need assistance. Familiarize yourself with local emergency numbers and protocols, and ensure that you have adequate travel insurance to cover unforeseen events such as medical emergencies or trip cancellations. Being prepared with the necessary resources and information can make a significant difference in how you handle unexpected situations while traveling solo. By incorporating these safety measures into your solo travel preparations, you can enhance your security and well-being throughout your journey. Remember, prioritizing safety doesn't have to dampen your sense of adventure. It can empower you to explore the world with confidence and peace of mind. Stay tuned for more tips on how to stay safe and have fun while traveling solo. Embarking on solo adventures can be a thrilling and empowering experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in new cultures and destinations on your own terms. While solo travel offers unparalleled freedom and flexibility, it's essential to prioritize your safety and well-being to make the most of your journey. Let's delve into some key guidelines for enjoying solo adventures while staying safe and maximizing your experience. One of the best ways to enhance your solo travel experience is to engage with locals and immerse yourself in the culture of your destination. Strike up conversations with residents, participate in local activities, and savor authentic cuisine to gain a deeper understanding of the place you're visiting. Additionally, consider joining group tours or excursions led by reputable guides to explore new areas and connect with fellow travelers in a safe and structured environment. When exploring alone, it's important to prioritize safety by venturing out during daylight hours, following basic safety rules, and exercising caution with new acquaintances. Stick to well-lit and populated areas, avoid risky or unfamiliar neighborhoods, and trust your instincts if a situation feels uncomfortable. By staying vigilant and mindful of your surroundings, you can minimize potential risks and enjoy your solo adventures with confidence. While solo travel offers unparalleled freedom and independence, it's crucial to strike a balance between embracing your autonomy and safeguarding your well-being. Embrace the sense of liberation that comes with exploring alone, but remain vigilant and proactive in ensuring your safety throughout your journey. By combining a spirit of adventure with a commitment to self-care, you can make the most of your solo travel experience while staying safe and secure. By following these guidelines and striking a balance between exploration and caution, you can embark on solo adventures with confidence, curiosity, and a sense of empowerment. Remember, solo travel is a unique opportunity to discover the world on your own terms. So, embrace the journey, stay safe, and make unforgettable memories along the way. As we wrap up our discussion on staying safe and having fun during solo travel, let's recap the key points that can help you make the most of your solo adventures while prioritizing your well-being. From research and planning to packing essentials and implementing safety measures, each step plays a crucial role in ensuring a memorable and enjoyable solo travel experience. Researching your destination, understanding local customs, and planning your itinerary are essential components of a successful solo trip. By investing time in preparation and familiarizing yourself with the ins and outs of your chosen destination, you can navigate new environments with confidence and ease. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to solo travel, so arm yourself with information to make informed decisions along the way. Packing smartly with essential items such as a first aid kit, emergency contacts, and versatile clothing can enhance your comfort and preparedness while on the road. Prioritizing safety measures such as sharing your itinerary, staying aware of your surroundings, and having emergency contacts at hand can provide added security and peace of mind throughout your journey. We encourage you to apply the tips and strategies shared in this video to create a memorable and fulfilling solo travel experience. Whether you're a seasoned solo traveler or planning your first adventure, incorporating these practices into your travel routine can help you stay safe, have fun, and make the most of your solo journeys. If you found this video helpful and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Check out this video, Michigan Adventures for Seniors, Best Places and Tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and happy travels.